In this video, I'm going to show you how you can mute audio in a Zoom meeting. So if you want to do this, simply follow the steps that I'm going to show you in this video, and then you should be fine. So once you're in the Zoom meeting and you move around with your mouse, you'll find this menu, right? You see security, participants, chat, share screen, and record. But if you take a look at the left side, you'll see mute and start video. So right now I'm not showing my webcam, but I'm using a microphone for the audio, and right there you'll see mute. So simply click right there, and that's how you can mute the audio on Zoom. That's pretty much all you need to do. So you can then click on it again to unmute, but that's pretty much how to mute audio on Zoom in a Zoom meeting. If you enjoyed this video, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if it works, and then I'll see you next time. Have a good day. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.